Lighting should adapt to the space, not the other way around. Introducing the Westgate LW360-PSR 360-degree rotatable wall pack, designed to give you greater control over exactly where your light goes. Its innovative 360-degree rotatable light head lets you adjust the direction of illumination to match the needs of the application. From traditional downward lighting to forward projection, uplighting, and everything in between. Choose from single-head models with selectable wattages from 15 to 40 watts, or step up to the dual-head design with selectable output from 60 to 120 watts. Delivering up to 150 lumens per watt, the LW360-PSR provides powerful illumination while maintaining outstanding efficiency. And with selectable 3000, 4000, and 5000 K color temperatures. One fixture gives you the flexibility to create the right environment for virtually any commercial exterior. Every LW360-PSR comes equipped with a pre-installed photocell and convenient on-off switch, giving you automatic dusk-to-dawn operation when you need it. A built-in 3.5mm sensor-ready socket also makes it easy to add compatible motion sensors and controls for even greater energy savings and functionality. With 0 to 10 volt dimming, 4 architectural finish options, and UL and DLC premium listings, it's engineered for performance without sacrificing versatility. One wall pack, multiple outputs, complete control over the illumination. The Westgate LW360-PSR. Light in every direction. Westgate Manufacturing, America's most dependable lighting.